parents are living in Ejibo. Your father is living in Ejibo. I went there several times. I was there. Your brother, elder brother, is living in Korodu. If you have money, why can't you build a house in Lagos and put them there? Why is your brother following you everywhere like an animal? Clean your shoes.
Hello there, my beautiful people. Now, update on this Bobrisky and this girl matter. The girl, you know, say Bobrisky talking inside of the story. The girl self can't they talk other things again. Honestly speaking, I dey believe this girl. I dey believe this girl not be only because of the girl, but because of what they happen so far with Bobrisky. Yes, Bobrisky like to help, but it's like Bobrisky self like to the use person as well. Bobrisky don't get house boy before. In fact, maybe most of una go know why Bobrisky and MC Galaxy no they agree. Most of una fit know, most of una fit no know. Calabar boy where Bobrisky go carry from God knows where. Normally, the boy, whether the boy want enter social media, whether the boy no want enter, Bobrisky go carry camera face on. Okon, see your madam. Now rich people, now your madam they carry. If you know say you broke, no, now so Okon go they, go they talk as like person where they write script for. If you no get money, no near my madam or many times, but offline. Okon they do virtually everything. Gate man, yo. Now they check if Bobrisky no deal. Now he be the house boy, you everything. But in real life, Bobrisky self know they pay the boy. The boy can barely feed. If Bobrisky don't come out, travel, leave the boy. That time Bobrisky just they start. Bobrisky never did this popular with cars everywhere. And most of una go know say this is when they talk being blow online. Now, this Okon of a guy be like 3 months, Bobrisky never pay. Be 4 months serve that time. Now, the boy reach out to MC Galaxy. Being say na Calabar guy, na MC Galaxy brother, in kind of, not be say blood brother, but in kind of a brother, na MC turn up for the boy. When he turn up for the boy, Bobrisky never know. Now MC Galaxy now come put camera. Bobrisky vex because MC Galaxy no come to round first. Carry the thing come up for social media and come to round first. Make he explain your side of the story. Bobrisky always get side of the story to tell. Maybe if you want to talk now, the whole story go turn upside down. But MC Galaxy not do one like that. He just in kind of 1 year the boy on side of the story and for social media. Now the boy begin to talk. He say Bobrisky no dey pay him, all those things. Like the boy talk many talk, and MC Galaxy bring out bunch of money, be like 100,000, 200,000 that time. Carry and give the boy for front of the camera also. Then post the thing on social media. Now the thing can bring serious problem between MC Galaxy and Bobrisky. Now, when Good Luck Mama dey turn with this particular girl, that time all of them dey for Bobrisky house. Bobrisky spray Good Luck Mama 100,000 naira, but now bunch of money now she carry come online. But later now 100,000 out of the bunch of money now Bobrisky spray. But tell this Ogi or girl, whether na Ogi I be waiting. He tell this girl now so Oyi make the girl talk say na 200,000. You dey see am, and the girl don't explain say na he boss. Now when he don't say, you know say he get the way person go take tell you say tell them say that like this if they answer you no go even get choice. Some people feel get choice. Some strong people they no go gree person use them like that, but some people go just okay and agree. Now what did this girl do when she testify against Mama Good Luck? You dey see am. Now Bobrisky nicely put this girl up to that kind of testimony. Now this girl now and Bobrisky don't fall out. Bobrisky get her house help on ground to testify against this girl. Una know they see what they happen. Even though say Bobrisky like to give, you go see and say the Bobrisky spirit to the use person, and people they like that. So now only this giving and Bobrisky get. This is the truth. For people where they say maybe Bobrisky will start to make it stop to the give, they are taking advantage of you. When I know they see now Bobrisky now they take advantage of people here. If Bobrisky stop giving, they will see Bobrisky ugly looking character. Not only that giving and be the good part of Bobrisky where they actually still they cover him. You can imagine this guy testifying and say Bobrisky toilet no they flush. That's why Bobrisky no dey stay for your house, because if he kaka for toilet, e no dey flush. Bobrisky bathroom is a mess. And somebody just support Bobrisky. How many second video? You don't go buy 5 million naira worth car for the person. The motor when you buy and carry key give the guy. They say the motor worth 5 million naira. And your toilet not the flush. Believe you me, if Bobrisky stop to the give, you go see Bobrisky. That is your Instagram go crumble. Your life when he build on social media, he go crumble. If Bobrisky stop to the give, and he get testify say Bobrisky brother, they run follow Bobrisky up and down, hoping say he go help his brother, but he prefer to throw the money on social media. Now the money when they throw on social media, now they make it people they find it difficult to they see Bobrisky well. Even if people where they see Bobrisky well, then they see they use the fact say it they help some people, till they console themselves, till they at least. They say not they judge him for the true person when him be. This not the truth though. And the truth is bitter. I believe this girl, even though says I don't believe many things where this girl talk. Some part where this girl talking, I believe say not be only she be the first person where they talk. Now the first girl with tattoo Bobrisky. Actually Oprah Ama say she want to clean the tattoo. Why if she never get one bad encounter with Bobrisky? Bobrisky said this girl, he come like say this girl force herself come Nigeria. How now? How did she even get your address? Even if she get your phone, she dey call you, she can't dey disturb you, she dey call you every day. According to what you talk. Now every call we don't enter this your phone, now you don't pick. You know if you say this girl come, the money that I want to send to you to travel to Nigeria, I'll send it to you and you use it to start up something doing. People they ask say if she dey suffer you, why you come? Because say Bobrisky talk, and then people call the answer that thing. Why people they from Nigeria? You know what it be desert? I don't experience her before. You know what it be sea? I don't experience her before. For people when you be like say they don't experience her before. Why people they from Nigeria, past desert, past sea, come obodo oyibo just for the hope or for the faith say their life go better? Why? Why? I don't go fit ask this girl say why you dey there where they even they suffer you. This girl don't come up for her countryside. Bobrisky talk and say now she be the only first, now she be the first daughter of their house. She come from a broken home. Now good life, better life. Now this girl come up for her country go fine. Even though self say that they maltreat her or she dey take some kind of things where she normally not go take, but for the hope say things feel better, my life feel change from here, she go stick there. Many people wake from Nigeria enter obodo oyibo that they see things when you be like say they go normally not go take for obodo oyibo, but their ass is still stick here because of the faith, the hope say my life feel change for here. Now the same thing with the talk here. I don't know the way you take to see your own. No. I don't know the way you take to see your own. Bobrisky, see the kind girl you carry and you can't say make she dey shave your body. The girl say they help Bobrisky, they shave all his chest. If they help Bobrisky, they put on a fake Pampers butt, all those things. Now so that they use PA. You say make the girl go Google what is PA. Now so they say they use so PA now, so it's often now your personal assistant. Now your personal assistant now go help you they shave all your hair wait there for your chest. Are you joking me? You Bobrisky now, so you know go Google what is PA. Your PA supposed to help you they shave. Why you not open your bowler for her make you shave? Because she be personal assistance. Are you for real? Your PA they help you they wear your nyash. Why if she no go know say you still get bola under? Where you they give her nyash, make she they help you the fees. All those kind nasty thing, now you they use the girl they do. At the end of the day, she not fit turn up for you. Oh yeah, she not be human being. When it be like say even Nif self, after all those rubbish thing what you take and do, she go say make she go out, go enjoy herself. It go be like say where you go. Big girl like this. Why her body no go pepper around? Why did you invite her in the first place? If they talk say no be fault, where the girl get 50,000 naira, and then she can't tell you say make you send her 150. She don't already get 50,000 naira in CFA. Make she they travel they come. Must you send her? Now she work money for you. You know they tell her say come, I don't get money when I want to send for you. I don't want you to leave your country. I don't want you to leave your country. This girl cannot try. She cannot leave her country. If she leave her country, you no give her address. She go lost for Lagos. So Bobrisky cannot come and behave as if it's not your fault. I love helping people, and when he got to that, I don't have any choice. Are you joking? You don't have any choice. Say somebody want to come my house and I no want make it come my house, and I no get choice to tell her not to come my house. Who you dey tell all this kind of story now? Now children, maybe now people where they hang on your social media platform, where they collect for 5,000 naira giveaway. Now you open your mouth and tell that thing, and then they will believe you. I get house, I no want make you come. Now simple something, no come. That is that you will hear English by force. If I dey talk to you, you know they hear English. This girl where they speak English like this, she dey even dey rap Yoruba. You dey tell me say she not dey hear English. Now me say half of what you dey talk, she not dey hear. This girl dey rap Yoruba. Many things where Bobrisky go dey talk for Yoruba. This girl dey hear. So definitely she dey hear English. You tell her pop and plain, don't come to my house. I don't take stranger. Okay, the risk where you take now by inviting this girl come your house, come Lego for your house. What you want talk? Want tell police say you don't have a choice because she says she's coming. She can't disturb me. She can't disturb me. I don't get choice. Now come say me she come. Which kind talk be all those ones? Now what you go tell Nigerian police be that? Are you a child? All this thing online, you will see and clearly. It's just that Bobrisky give away part. Yes, Bobrisky give away part, and charity begins at home. Where this girl they talk say Bobrisky brother, and so Bobrisky brother they follow him. The way she herself they follow Bobrisky, hoping for better life. And so Bobrisky brother himself they follow him. my people, like, make una just drop una comment down below. Wetin una believe, but I believe say this girl cannot be lying on every side. In fact, now Bobrisky they lie because even that her house help, when she they use as witness to counter this girl accusation. If that house help come outside now with story to tell, Bobrisky go get another person wey go stand by to counter that house help accusation. Now Bobrisky life be that. How many people we don't near Bobrisky so far as friend we never hit social media with problems upon problems? Everybody they get problem with one person. Maybe you go check the person where, or you will pause. You will start to the think say why different people not only I'm not even talking about this Cameroon girl or what it should be, Ivory Coast girl. I know they talk about this girl alone. I talk about people so far on social media since where Bobrisky don't blow. Not only Bobrisky blow here where they get negative wicked vibes like this, and person when he be like say you don't even need to use to do friend. Before you go near Bobrisky like this, you know one near him. From far, give away, smiling. Oh, Bobrisky, you good. Now from far, now you good, may you make friend with Bobrisky. And there must be a reason why. Anybody will want believe. Now your mind now, you can believe anything you want to believe. You can say, may Bobrisky stop to they give they take advantage of Bobrisky. But when they see the matter, now Bobrisky they take advantage of the girl. The girl neck chain and bag where the girl carry come, Bobrisky snap and put on social media. As soon as the girl just mention her, Bobrisky go buy bag where be like that one, and she dey flaunt on social media. Meanwhile, the girl don't carry her bag and her chain, and the girl sample her chain and everything where the girl don't carry and go back to Ivory Coast. And the picture is there online where Bobrisky use that same thing take snap. You dey see am. Before you go talk like this, Bobrisky don't look for plan B. Now smart person. Before you go just make chance, you don't already find somebody we go talk say na lie you. This the way they talk na lie. The house help when they talk say he has help come see this girl where the girl go they talk another thing. Where maybe if the house help don't get problem with Bob now, the house help saw nothing. Maybe the herself no see anything. Now inside Bob head, now everything dey. She don't already play record where she want give public. Bobrisky don't dey for public long enough to know the record where go sell for public. She don't already compose the record, the movie when you want art for public. Everything when you want talk, you don't already compose them. You dey see am. Now so. And when he talk say this girl too small to bring her down, with this level where Bobrisky they go, wait till go even bring her down, go fit small past this girl. e go fit small pass this girl, because you no go good and be monster at the same time, and you go expect say nothing go touch you. E no go definitely work like that always. As they get plan B, they get plan B. One day you go see say your plan B no go work. Everything go just fall for your hand, except say you go just from now, if na anger be your problem, just dey check am. If na fake life na you dey live, just dey deal with the life inside, because if Bobrisky dey deal with the life inside, before you go start to dey live real life, people cannot tell. Because you no go tell me say you go dash person motor worth 5 million naira, and your brother dey follow you, you never even give am 1 million make e start up something doing. Or your toilet and your bathroom, they are not functioning, and then you abandon the house, they go sleep for hotel because your house is broken, and you actually get 5 million to dash out. Which kind of life be that? Like, when drop on a comment down below. Now una thinking, una free to use them. Una bye bye.
Hi everybody, I'm Hoye Kim. Welcome to my page. As I promised to make a video today to explain everything, how it starts and how it is ending, because this is my last video about this subject with Idris Olarunwaju. So I was one of Idris fan who drew his name on my laps. Yes, I'm sorry for my English. I'm not a 100% Nigeria, so I'm just trying for you guys to know what I've been through. I'm just trying to explain the truth. So I don't give a fuck if some of you don't trust me. Like, I don't care. Yes, I don't give a fuck. If you don't trust, that's your problem. Because of the 5K giveaway he has been giving you guys on his page, some of you will come and be commenting nonsense. We moved to Mainland in his friend's house because all the toilets are spoiled. You can't bathe and the water will go. Even if you shit, you can't put water there. All the toilets are spoiled. So we went to his friend's house in Mainland. That was the place we were living. We did like almost 1 month there. After the 1 month, we now went to Radisson Blue Hotel. That's the place. Even now, that's the place she's living in that hotel. I'll be working with her, doing my work as a PA, shaving his chest full of hair, helping him to dress, helping him to wear his clothes, helping him to pick his food, helping him to do everything, helping him to wear his fake ass, his pampers.
Toilets, you're on flushing toilet. Arrange it. Stop going on in another person's house. Stop going there. Arrange your house. Fake life. Help your family. Help your brother that is following you like goats, that is not having work. Help your other brother. You are just lying to people on Instagram. Yes, I have this, I have that, but your parents are living in Ejibo. Your father is living in Ejibo. I went there several times. I was there. Your elder brother is living in Korodu. If you have money, why can't you build a house in Lagos and put them there? Why is your brother following you everywhere like an animal? Clean your shoes. Is it a lie?
I was trying to explain myself. Now hit me with a speaker, a heavy speaker, a iron heavy speaker. So now he made a lying that she should show you the mark on her face. When you hit me, the blood was coming from inside my hair. It's not outside. Inside my hair. This is the medicine you send your brother to go and buy for me. I can't lie. I'm in Ivory Coast. This is the Nigerian medicine. This is the Nigerian number. This is the medicine. They wrote it in English. It's not in French. This is the Nigerian medicine. So if I was wound outside my hair, you won't buy this type of medicine. Because this thing you drop it inside your hair, you won't buy this type of medicine. This is Nigerian medicine. I can't gain anything lying. This is the medicine you bought for me. This is the medicine you run and bought for me because I was bleeding from inside my hair to outside. I can't gain anything lying. This is the medicine. This is in English. You don't have this type of rubber in Ivory Coast. So stop lying on me. I can't gain anything lying. Yes, this is my chain. This is the chain you borrow for me and snap with it. This is my bag. I bought it in Ivory Coast, the chain and the bag. This is my own. You don't have this thing in Nigeria. Stop lying. Stop lying, goat, animal. You're a wicked person, a wicked boy, a wicked gay, a wicked woman. Stop lying on people. If you can't help people, you didn't send us to drill your name, but you promised us. You were chasing for clout for fame in Instagram, trying to talk to people. Hey, I will take you to Dubai. I will take you. Okay, you can say me I'm lying today. Is Anuma bit lying? She's the first person that drew you. Did you took her to Dubai? Did you took her to Dubai? What about Good Luck Mother? What about all those people? Now they are texting you. You are blocking them.